Hello guys, today I will make a spring roll. Here are my ingredients. A spring roll wrapper, pork ground meat, uh, slice of water chestnuts, carrots, 1 egg, garlic and onions, cilantro, salt and pepper, as well as Maggi Sabor Classic Seasoning and oyster sauce. These garlic, onions, carrots, and a slice of butter chestnuts, the same with the cilantro. I will grind it, guys, in this grinder to make it fine. Then mix it in the ground meat together with the seasoning and let it rest for a little bit, at least 30 minutes, before I will put this in a spring roll wrapper. After I grind the carrots, onions, and garlic, as well as cilantro, I will mix it and I will add the eggs. I will add the eggs. Wait, I need paper towel. I will add the eggs and I will put this is a paper. This is 1/2 TBSP. I will put 1/2. 1/2 TBSP of paper. And I will put salt. I just put 1/4. I don't want it's salty because I have hypertension. So just put and I will put this is oyster sauce. Let's put this for flavor. I will put I guess this one this is 1/2 TBSP. I will put it. I will make it 1/2. One tablespoon. Yes, just for wow, sticky. I have a hard time. 1/2 TBSP of that. And this is Maggi Sabor seasoning. So I will put this for flavor. This is not much. I'll just clean this. Just clean this. And now I will mix this guy. Mix. Then after I mix this, I will set it for a while, for at least even 30 minutes. Then I will wrap it in a spring roll wrapper. After that, I need to fry this. Hello guys, now I will start wrapping this. This is my spring roll wrapper. This is my spring roll wrapper. Oh, I need to get an eggs to pour close. Yep, I need to get this that one, but I remove this one by one. Okay, I'll put this back because we'll dry out and I'm not too fast wrapping with this. I'm not too fast wrapping with this. And I usually use eggs, guy. I use eggs for to close this. Guys, finally I finished wrapping this spring roll. Now we will start frying this. Start frying. We will let the oil become hot before putting this in the frying pan. Then I will lower the heat a little bit once it's already hot. Hello, hello. Oh my god, it's thick. I put this. Oh my god, it's thick. Huh. Because I guess. Oh no, not really too. You know yet. Hmm? Now we will fry this. I didn't make this guys really small because this is just personal use. So that I finish it quicker, I guess. Yeah. Just flip this over. And a while I will lower the head of the, you know. Hello guys, finally I'm almost done frying this. Soon I will finish. And my daughter can have something to eat. Yeah, after I frying lots, look the, become kind of the patties because of the meat, I guess. Yeah, finally, I'm almost done. One more bots, guys. One more bots. Hmm. This is the last bots. Yeah, look, guys. If you use the oil to... This is a no oil actually, but this is the third batch. Kind of the oil become dirty with their own thing. Almost done. Hello, hello everyone. Finally, I'm almost done here.